Michael Beach and Layla with Michael Beach Coaching and Consulting. We're here to talk to you again today about mental toughness. This is the fourth of our videos in this series. One of the things you got to realize when you're trying to be mentally tough in the workplace is that you can't try to please everyone. It is just not possible. Instead, focus on doing what is right. Stick to your values, stick to your first principles, and trust me, it's going to work out fine. Second pointer on mental toughness, be assertive and practice being assertive so that you can embrace conflict and change every day, every time in a very positive way. That's going to lead to a lot of success. See you next time.